Welcome to Dream Car Views Lover. Today, we're diving into the timeless elegance and engineering marvel that is the Jaguar XK120. Introduced in 1948, this classic sports car not only set new standards for performance but also captured the hearts of automotive enthusiasts worldwide. In this video, we'll explore the XK120's exterior design, interior features, engine specifications, and its market value today. The Jaguar XK120's design is a harmonious blend of form and function, embodying the sleek lines and aerodynamic contours that were revolutionary for its time. The 120 in its name signifies its top speed of 120 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car upon its debut. At first glance, the XK120's elongated hood and flowing fenders exude a sense of motion, even when stationary. The front grille, a signature Jaguar element, is both elegant and aggressive, flanked by rounded headlights that enhance its feline appearance. The car's low-slung profile and minimalistic chrome accents contribute to its timeless aesthetic. Initially, the XK120 was available as an open two-seater, also known as the Roadster. This variant featured removable side curtains in a lightweight canvas top, emphasizing its sporty nature. In 1951, Jaguar introduced the fixed-head coupe FHC and drop-head coupe DHC versions, offering more refined options with permanent roofs and additional comfort features. Stepping inside the XK120, you're greeted by a cockpit that balances simplicity with luxury. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and walnut trim, reflecting Jaguar's commitment to craftsmanship. The dashboard is a study in functional elegance, featuring a centrally mounted speedometer and tachometer, complemented by smaller gauges monitoring fuel, oil pressure, and temperature. The large, thin-rimmed steering wheel provides tactile feedback, essential for spirited driving. Seating in the XK120 is snug, reinforcing its sports car pedigree. The bucket seats are designed to hold occupants firmly in place during dynamic driving, while the minimalist door panels and floor coverings keep the focus on performance. Despite its compact dimensions, the cabin offers adequate space for driver and passenger, ensuring a comfortable experience on both short sprints and long journeys. Under the hood, the XK120 houses the legendary 3.4-liter XK inline-six engine, a powerplant that would become the cornerstone of Jaguar's success for decades. This dual overhead camshaft engine produces 160 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 195 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute, delivering robust performance across the rev range. The engine's design incorporates a cast iron block with an aluminum cylinder head, optimizing weight distribution and thermal efficiency. Fuel is supplied by twin SU H6 carburetors, ensuring precise throttle response and contributing to the car's impressive acceleration. Mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, the XK120 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 10 seconds, a remarkable feat for its era. The car's top speed of 120 miles per hour not only inspired its name but also cemented its status as a performance icon. The XK120's chassis features independent front suspension with wishbones and torsion bars, while the rear employs a live axle with semi-elliptic leaf springs. This setup provides a balanced ride and handling characteristics, allowing drivers to exploit the engine's potential confidently. Braking is managed by 4-wheel drum brakes, which, while standard for the time, require attentive driving by today's standards. The Jaguar XK120's enduring appeal has made it a sought-after classic in today's collector market. Prices can vary significantly based on factors such as condition, originality, and provenance. As of recent data, the average sale price of a Jaguar XK120 is approximately $98,537. However, individual listings show a broader range. For instance, classic car dealerships have listed XK120s with prices ranging from $32,500 to over $225,000, reflecting the car's condition and historical significance. Notably, a 1954 Jaguar XK120 SE Coupe achieved a top sale price of $940,000 in March 2022, underscoring the model's investment potential. It's essential for prospective buyers to conduct thorough inspections and verify the authenticity of any XK120 under consideration, as restoration quality and originality significantly impact value. The Jaguar XK120 remains a testament to timeless design and engineering excellence. Its blend of aesthetic beauty, performance prowess, and historical significance ensures its place among the pantheon of classic automobiles. Whether you're an enthusiast, a collector, or simply an admirer of automotive art, the XK120 offers a captivating glimpse into a golden era of motoring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the legacy of the Jaguar XK120. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like us to feature next.